Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, I'll show you what to do if you can't find the music feature when adding a song to your Instagram stories. Follow these simple steps, and let's try to fix this together. The first thing we want to do is make sure that we have the latest version of Instagram. Close the app and open your App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Instagram, and if you see an update button, click on it. This will update the app to the newest version and could resolve the missing music feature. If updating the app didn't work, head over to your Instagram profile and tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see the Help section and tap on Report a Problem. Now, let Instagram know that the music feature is missing from your stories. Politely ask them to enable the feature for your account. Instagram's support team should respond within a day or two, and hopefully they'll fix it for you. If contacting support doesn't solve the issue right away, keep in mind that Instagram rolls out new features to different regions over time. You might just need to wait a little longer, sometimes days, weeks, or even months, until the feature becomes available in your area. Finally, if none of these steps worked, try reinstalling the app. Delete Instagram from your phone, download it again, and log back in. This could refresh your settings and potentially fix the missing feature. That's it! Hopefully, one of these solutions helps you get the music feature back in your Instagram stories. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.